Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So I got a call from a plumber. He's called me back to a lock that I did, and I hate recalls. We all get them. Sometimes it's just as simple as showing somebody how to use the lock that they've had for the last 20 years, because ever since you've rekeyed it, they've forgotten how to use it. A lot of the time it's just simple what I call operator error, which means the person trying to use it isn't using it correctly, and it's your fault, your problem, because you're the last one to touch it. Every locksmith knows that scenario, and it gives every locksmith the shits, but there's probably 1 in 20 that you just have to do it, otherwise they think, you know, you're dudding them and all this sort of stuff. And the funny thing is, when you go back there and you say, hey look, it works perfectly, what's wrong with you? They say, oh thank you. But it's like, you got to go back, and it's been a big waste of time, and they don't want to pay a cent more. Just the life of a locksmith. You get those type of calls. So anyway, we're going to go have a look at a gate. It's on an NMB key, which is like a power key, like a key that all the service people have, and it should be working fine, but for some reason it's, you know, he's saying it's not. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so here's the room. Here's the lock. Got myself an NMB key, and push, no, push, works fine. So it's just hot water in here. So this is one of those jobs, nobody's fault. You always get a call back, whether it's you need to go back and show the customer how to use the lock after they've had it on their door for 20 years and they don't know how to use it, things like that. I mean, this is working just fine. I don't think this side's done, no, so it's only this side. Check it again, turning fine. So the way you use this lock is that when I'm pushing it, this latch won't pop up, and it won't pop up from here, so it's locked both sides. When I put the key in and I rotate it anti-clockwise, I take my key out. When I push this, the latch will lift up, and also when it's locked, you can do it from the inside. So now it's in the unlocked state. Works fine. Okay, so yeah, back again. So this was caused by a bad key. The other person has a bad key and they're saying the lock doesn't work. It's not the lock, it's just the key. So one of those times you've got to come back. We all get them. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.